I think it's a really informative website.
because it helps a lot.
It's a lot better, it's a lot convenient.
It's giving us all the material for the board preparation.
It is easier to study it that way.
It's giving us all the answers in one app.
सारे बोर्ड्स के पास पेपर्स मिल जाते हैं, नोट्स मिल जाते हैं.
इतने ज़्यादा बुक्स सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट के सिर्फ नोट्स वगैरह साइड पे करो तो बहुत ज़्यादा बुक्स और वो बंडल पूरा बन जाता था. इट वाज हार्ड.
हम जैसे बच्चे ज़्यादा यूज़ ही करते हैं मोबाइल्स.
It gives us information everywhere around Pakistan.
But when you're studying from this phone, when you're studying from tutorial.pk, you're just very chill and you feel like हो जाएगा, आराम से हो जाएगा.
बहुत हेल्पफुल लग रही है कि मुझे फ़ौरन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल रहे हैं.
Compared to books, smartphones can be easier to carry.
This book is very heavier than this phone.
Parents don't have to worry about, spending much money.
Even your mother, when she talks to you, you cannot speak to her because you're very tired and you just like mama bas kar de mere se nahi baat hogi.
Compared to books, they take up a lot of space.
ऑनलाइन पेमेंट भी हो जाती है तो
I think it is a nice app.
they made it a lot easier.
Perfect.
It's a good website.